Kate here with WTI, and I never thought I could be impressed by a tape measure, but here we are. This is the 2-in-1 digital tape measure by ACPOTEL. Now, there are a few features that make this a standout. First of all, it's digital, so it has a really nice display, very easy to read. You can have 3 choices of measurements, so you can either do millimeters, feet, or inches. It has the ability to save your measurements. You can have up to 20 stored in here. So if you have a whole bunch of cuts to make, this is a great way to not have to write them down. It's all stored in here for you. Another really cool feature is that you can measure from the front or the back of the tape. So with just the tap of the button, it'll add the size of the measuring tape itself to your measurement if you're measuring an inside corner, for example. It charges with a USB. It has standard features like the lock as well. It measures up to a 1/16 of an inch, so that's a nice accurate measurement. You can see how it works with the bottom. It has all of these markings, so that's how you get a nice accurate readout. So if you're looking for a measuring tape that just steps it up a notch and gives you those extra features, you're going to be really happy with this one. We use this all the time, and it makes it so easy. You don't even have to think about your measurement. It's written out there for you. So I very much recommend it, and that's my point of view.